Hello, it's me again. Like I mentioned in my other video, I am going to share with you guys how I achieved these curls. So let's get started, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Using my bead head crimping iron today. This one gets really hot, so just be very careful, but you can also adjust its temperature. Here's a tip. To make it really wavy, I don't pull my hair down. Instead, push it up to maintain the wave or curls when you move the crimper each time. And don't worry about the smoke, guys. Nothing is burning. Just make sure you use hair protectant prior and just pay attention to what you're doing.
And he could be what I like, but he's got those stranger eyes. Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours. Freckles just as like my hands are tied, cause he's got those stranger eyes, and he could be what I like, but he's got those stranger eyes.
And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.